Hi! Welcome back to Merienda and Mandates with Remotify. In this episode, we're focusing on maternity leave here in the Philippines. Alongside with this sliced mangoes, which is mostly associated with pregnant women. Because as they say, pregnant women mostly crave for sliced mangoes during their pregnancies. Under Republic Act Number 11210, also known as the Expanded Maternity Leave Law, female employees in both the public and private sectors are entitled to 105 days of paid maternity leave, with an option to extend for an additional 30 days without pay. Solo mothers can also receive an extra 15 days of paid leave. The law covers not just those in regular employment but also those in informal and non-traditional jobs. This leave applies whether the pregnancy results in live birth, miscarriage, or emergency termination. Employers are required by law to grant these benefits to all eligible female employees, and failure to do so can result in penalties. Just like how pregnant women enjoys eating mangoes, they should also be enjoying their maternity leave benefits in full and uninterrupted. That's all for today for our Merienda and Mandates. Catch us again on our next episode.